sun glare can quickly turn a normal drive into an uncomfortable and unsafe experience, especially when your original sun visor is damaged, sagging, or missing. This replacement sun visor is designed to bring your vehicle back to its original level of comfort and safety by matching the fit, look, and function of the factory-installed visor. From the moment it is installed, it feels natural, solid, and visually consistent with your interior. Crafted from quality materials, this visor offers durable construction that closely mirrors the appearance and reliability of the original equipment part. It has been quality tested through try-on and material evaluations to ensure a precise fit and long service life, giving you confidence every time you lower it to block harsh sunlight. The surface finish, structure, and movement are engineered to feel familiar, not flimsy or aftermarket. This product is a cost-effective solution for drivers who want original equipment quality without paying dealership prices. Instead of replacing the entire assembly or settling for a universal visor that looks out of place, this direct replacement allows you to restore your vehicle's interior at a competitive price. Installation is straightforward and can often be completed in minutes using basic tools, making it ideal for do-it-yourself repairs. To ensure the best experience, it is important to confirm compatibility by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before purchasing. When matched correctly, the visor installs cleanly and performs exactly as expected, just like the original. Many customers describe it as identical to the factory visor and appreciate the ease of installation and value for money. If you are ready to eliminate glare, improve driving comfort, and refresh your interior without overspending, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more practical and reliable automotive products.